Alright guys, I'm going straight to the portal. If you need the eggs or the bone specific, the timestamp is in the description below. Before going to the Ascendant challenge, go to Petravenge and grab the Ascendant challenge bounty. Upon completing the Ascendant challenge, you will get an extra legendary gear. After coming here, apply your Tincture of Queen's Foil. If you don't have it, you can buy it from Petravenge also. After coming inside, all you have to do is just jumping on some platforms and get to the center area. There will be 4 circular platforms around the mid section, and on the right side of one of these platforms you can see an invisible platform. If you see bottom on the right side of one of these platforms, you can see an invisible platform there. If you cannot see on the platform you are on, you can just switch to another one and you can see it there. And in the end of this platform you can find the bone here. If you need Toland, he is just hanging there on the left. Now come on top of the platform and start the encounter. After killing all the ads, you have to grab the sword in the middle section, and after grabbing the sword, few more ads will spawn and one of these knights will stand up. You have to kill the specific knight which will stand up. After killing the first knight, 2 other knights will stand up. You have to kill both of them. And after killing all the knights and the ads, the Ascendant challenge will be completed. After that, if you don't need the eggs, you can get out of the portal. Alright, for the eggs you might need to crank up your mobilities a little bit. If you don't have enough, you can put on some mobility mods in your armor. Now here you can see there are two platforms. One is on the left and other one is on the right. If you jump in the mid section, you can see that these platforms has two edges that are closer to each other and other two are far from each other. You have to go to the closer edge of the left platform. Now from here you have to jump on the roof of the circular platform in front of you. From here, if you look straight, you can see a faint light in the dark. You can shoot it with a vision or bow. Otherwise, you can follow my character to the X location. For that, jump on the roof of the big dome-like structure. Once you have reached the top, look at the X direction I showed you earlier and keep swinging your sword until you reach a certain stone that is floating inside the dark. But make sure before shooting the egg, when you are letting go of your sword, make sure you are inside the two rocks here. Otherwise, whenever you are letting go of your sword, except this area, your sword will fall off the platform and you will not be able to get back. After getting the egg, now come back to the mid section. Now for the second egg, we'll go to the exact opposite direction we went for the first egg. So we went for the first egg in that direction and we are going for the second egg in the exactly opposite direction. After reaching this circular platform, if you look slightly left, you can see in the flashes that there are another platforms in the left side of this area, and if you shoot your sword, you will reach that platform. Now follow my character to the second egg. And here you can see the second egg. After getting the second egg, you can get out of the portal. Thank you.